welcome to my YouTube channel, it's Mangothao. Okay, today's video is going to be a Petco unboxing. I went online on Petco.com and purchased these items because online it has a sale or a discounted price than going to the store. So, this is my first time ever ordering from Petco, and they sent me 3 different packages. And you could tell it's all different boxes and envelope bags. So I don't know, I never seen a company that ships in like 3 different boxes. I would think that they would put it in a bigger box and then just put like air bags in there to fill up the empty spaces. But yeah, the big brown one and the envelope came first, which was on Friday, and then Saturday the box that has Petco on it came in. So that's really weird, and that's how stuff gets lost. So I don't even remember what I bought. So let's just get into the video. But I did open this first because all the address on the packages was from different states. So I was like, I'm gonna check it first to see if it's my stuff. So that's why this one is already open. But yeah, so let's just get into this one first. So this one has, see, they could have just put these inside of the bigger box. So let's see my receipt. 1, 2, 3. I thought I ordered 9 stuff. Maybe that's in the other box. But let's get into the box. Okay, the first item here is the Ecotrition Chew, and it's the cheesy chew. And I wanted to try this out because Mochi don't really chew on her wood chews, so maybe this would convince her to chew more. This was for, oh dang it, it doesn't have the price on here, but it's for like a discounted price online than going to the store. So this is that. So hopefully she start chewing. And then I got this Tiny Friends Farm Russell Rabbit Crunchers with carrots for my rabbit Olaf. So yeah, heard a lot of good stuff about this Tiny Friend Farm. So I'm gonna try this with Olaf, my little white Holland Lob rabbit. Just to let you guys all know, I don't remember the pricing on all this stuff, so you have to go on to petco.com to see the pricing. And then I got the KT Healthy Topping Papaya to try it out with Mochi to see if she likes it as a treat or not. And maybe I could try it with Olaf as well too, since there's a white rabbit in the front. Then I really wanted this in the store, but then I went online and it was for a discounted price. So that's why I purchased all these stuff online, because like I said, online is discounted, but then I don't know why they don't do the discounted price at the store or do a compare online and at store. But this is the Chewable Hideaway, the Peanut House, and it's super cute. I saw it in the store and I was like, I really want it. So I was really hesitant of getting it or not, but then I finally bit the bullet and purchased it. So I'm going to be putting this in Mochi's cage as well. Then here is the wooden chew or the wooden bridge that I saw in store as well too. But yes, I finally bought it, but I know in the UK there is a bigger version of this, which we don't have it here. So I got the little one because since I have a Campbell Russian Dwarf hamster, so this would be perfect for her as well too. This is by the You and Me brand. Then I got the KT Kebab, and it has the carrots, apple, what is this again? Eggplant and banana and a bell. So I'm going to hang this on her little cage so she could probably chew it and stuff. So yeah, super cute. And then last in the box is the Browns Tropical Carnival Oat Sprays. I will be spreading this around her cage so she could go and scavenge around her cage for these oats. The next one is the envelope bag. Let's see. Maybe I'll use a scissor. hopefully this is a Petco stuff. Okay, let's see. This is another receipt of what I got. Okay, this is the other receipt, which I can't believe they send me 3 packages. So this is the Tiny Friends Farm Hazel Hamster Lovelies with banana, strawberries, and apricot. And this is for rabbits, guinea pig, hamster, chinchillas, gerbil, mice, and rats, which is all the small animals. I'm going to give this as a treat to Mochi, and maybe I could really try this with Olaf as well too. So these two are from the same brand. And the packaging are so cute. Okay, so now we're going on to this box, which I don't remember what else did I order, so let's cut into this box. Like, I can't really believe that I got 3 packages from one store and it's all in one receipt. Okay, now I remember. So this one didn't even come with a receipt, so yeah, that's, I don't know. But I got the Grassy Teepee. I saw this in store as well too, but I went online and purchased it because it was discounted as well too. And I got the small one, so Mochi could just snuggle in there. And this one is by the Farmer's Market. And it's so cute. So that's all for my Petco haul. Thanks for watching. Bye.